This is Pat from Rain Country, and today it's that time of year again, so I'm out scavenging for firewood. And what I have behind me here is an old buckskin Douglas fir log, old growth, and it looks pretty bad. I'll show it to you. So this old log, it looks pretty bad, looks pretty rotten, but you just really never know until you cut into it whether or not it's going to have good wood on the inside or not. Now this wood burns just about the best you can burn, in my opinion. So I'm going to cut into this and see what we got. I cut into it, and there's a good part of it that's still sound. I had a hard time getting it apart, so I just went ahead and sawed it and sawed on it, and then I brought my backhoe today to peel it apart here. Across, 4 foot 2 inches to be exact, full of pitch. That should burn real nice. Now I better get busy and get onto this. A load. If I put any more in it, I might not get it out the gate. I might not get it out the gate anyways, the back gate there. And this is how much of the log we've removed so far, and I have a good load left in that. That's a good sound portion up through here. That's good and sound. I don't know, probably maybe 10 feet in, and then there's like a piece on this outside layer. This outside layer here might be good too. So anyways, we'll be back to finish this up.